What you doing, dude? High five. What are you doing, Daniel? Early morning?
Yeah, late night.
Late night.
I don't know if she's gonna fire. I screwed the idler screws. I turned them all the way in, only turned them halfway out. So she may fire, she may not.
Yeah. Well, welcome to the mother of all cold starts. 1,200 horsepower worth of 540 big block Chrysler and a 71 Demon.
With nitrous, that's the 1,200 horsepower.
Yeah, with the nitrous. So we're going to get her fired up so we can make the races today. Now, what'd you go and do?
Should have got fuel yet.
Oh.
Try to get that mechanical pump not to
Yeah.
blow all the fuel with.
That spring you added, messing it up?
See, there you go. I don't know, might have. Still looks like they're starting to get some. That's the thing, once you run these mechanical pumps out of fuel, that takes some time to get to it.
Yeah, he's running a mechanical pump, no electric crap here. We spent most of the day yesterday fabricating the new tank on here. Made a whole new bracket. Daniel ain't TIG welded in like 80,000 years. He did a damn good job too. He thinks I'm still messing with him, but he got some pretty nice TIG welds on this bad boy. Mother of all cold starts. I ain't get much cooler than that.
No. We just got to get the fuel to the carburetor bolt there.
Yep. Well, we'll see you guys at MoCamp, but that's going to be another video. So, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.